Welcome back to my channel, my dear sweet viewers who has always been there for me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Today I actually want to show you guys how to customize your futures account. That's Binance futures account, where you can actually change the futures account name to your name. Actually, that's the reference number. It will be showing your name anytime you take a screenshot of where you share the position you are holding. It will be carrying your name instead of the referral code. So I will be showing you how to go about that now. It's so simple. Though there are a lot of people that have been finding it difficult to do. But no matter how simple something is, if you don't know how to do it, then you just don't know how to do it. So now, so now I'll be showing you how to go about that now. The first thing you need to do is you open your Binance account. Once you open your Binance account, you go to futures account. This is your futures account. This is how your futures account will look like. You can do it from PC, you can do it from from mobile app, PC. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using the mobile version because I know most of us use the mobile. Most of the people that have been asking me actually use the mobile. So now, but it doesn't mean it's still the same process you follow on PC. So you can just use this tutorial of this mobile to actually customize yours if you only use PC as well. So I'll be showing you now. The first thing you need to do is you click on this sign, these three dotted lines at the top right corner. That's what you need to click. You click it, then you look for earn bonus, which is this earn bonus. Click on earn bonus. The good thing is that I'm here to change my futures account name, so I'll be using for the purpose of this tutorial. I'll be changing it because, and one thing you need to know when changing is once you change once, you can't change it anymore. So you should make sure you type in the correct. It doesn't really affect anything. It's just that you'll be seeing your name spelled incorrectly for life. So let me show you. It says invite now. Then you click on, sorry, I didn't invite now, which is this, as you can see here. Is there something I missed out? Let me go back and show and check if there is something I didn't explain. Let's go back. The three dotted lines, then end bonus. Okay. Then the next thing is invite now. You click on invite now. So once you click on invite now, this is actually your referral code. If you want to refer anyone so that you earn bonus from Binance and so on, this is the code you copy and send to the person you're sending to. So that's that. But you want to customize it to be carrying your name. So now if you actually check your futures account when you're trading, if you go to that share part where you click on share to show on the particular percentage you are on the trade that you currently clicked on, the number that it will show is actually this number. So now you want to turn that number to be your name now. So to do that, you just customize your code. Customize the code. Click on customize code. This here. Customize code. Then when you click on customize code, this is where you insert. You can see the box below the link. Let's type. Let me just type. This is the name I want to use. 3 to 6 characters, can contain letters and numbers. Okay, it means I can't use space. That's what it basically means. So let me merge it. So this is what I want to use as my name, which will be there. You can see, read the instructions and see. It said custom referral codes can only be generated once. Your custom code cannot be changed to once confirmed. Invalid code. Custom code must be 3 to 16 characters and contain letters and numbers. So you can see You can only change it once, so you should look clearly before you do anything. So you click on confirm when you're done. Or confirm. Yeah, your custom referral code has been generated. So let me go back. This is my futures account. I would have shown you now, but you can see my position just closed. I got liquidated. Chop my money, though it's not much. It's just few amount of money. So let me just open a small position just to use it as for the purpose of this tutorial. Don't mind me. People were longing a coin. I was there trying to short it. I was trying to outsmart the coin, which was wrong actually. That was why I actually. Okay, let me show you. I'm using 3x. That's to cross. Just for the purpose of this tutorial. If you don't know how to go about futures trades, you can watch my video on introduction to Binance. That's where you see everything about futures trades. I believe you love it. So I'll drop the link in the video description section for you to actually watch. So now let me just show you what this will look like. Let me just open a trade. Sorry. Yeah, let me open a trade. What is it saying? Okay, it's because I used a very low margin. So let me confirm. So now you can see. Then I'll click on share button. This is the share button. Sorry. This button here. This share sign, you can see it. So that's what I need to click on. I'll click on share. So once I click on share, you can see my name now. This is my name here now. IBTV. That's all. That's all you need to do to get it. That's basically all. Yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions, you can actually drop it for me in the comment section. I'll gladly respond to your questions. And if you also need anything, think you want to know, anything per se, just chat me, just drop a comment. I'll be ready to always respond to your comments. And please, if you are here to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Guys, I will really appreciate it if you can help us push this channel to 1,000 subscribers and more. Please just try to share with friends and family and let them know that for them to get more videos, they should please subscribe to the channel and also turn on notification for our videos. Yeah, that's it. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your presence always. Thank you. Goodbye. See you next time.